Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Skrill app not working on SIM data. We will try to solve this problem in few steps. You can watch the full video. This problem occurs for several reasons. First, check if your mobile date and time are correct. Click Settings. Then click System Settings. Click Date and Time. Then turn off Set Time automatically. Then wait 5 seconds. Then turn on Set Time automatically. Some phone functions are different. If you don't have this option, like me, how do you solve it? Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type Date and Time. Hope you understand. Next step. Click Settings. Click Mobile Network. Select the SIM card with which you use the internet. Then click Access Point Names. Click plus icon. Type SIM name. Then type APN Internet. Click Save. Next step. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Find Skrill app. Click Skrill. Then click Data Use. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click About Device. Click Storage. Then click Clean. Open Google Play Store. Then search Skrill app. Click Skrill. If you get any update, please update. Restart your phone. Thanks for watching.